In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload files in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and go to any task where you want to upload your file. Click on the task to open it. Inside the task window, scroll down to the attachments section. This is where you can add files directly to that specific task. Click on attachment and your computer's file picker will open. Now, choose the file you want to upload, whether it is a document, image, or spreadsheet. Once selected, click upload and give it a few seconds. Your file will appear inside the task. This keeps everything organized in one place so your team can easily access it. If you want to share a file during a discussion, scroll down to the comment section. Inside the comment box, click the attachment icon. Select your file and upload it just like before. The file will now appear in the conversation, making collaboration easier. You can upload multiple files anytime, and you can always add more later if needed. That is how you upload files in ClickUp.